Hey guys, so it's your girl Felicia Olivia and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the best, when I say the best travel hacks today, and you are going to love it, so stay tuned. So first you're going to open your browser and you're going to go to Google Travel. What you want to do is you want to open up a private web browser. Never go straight in. For those who know what VPNs are, you can use a VPN and go on to Google Travel. I'll cover VPNs in another video. And when you get there, this is what the screen is going to look like. And what I want you to do is click the Explore button. So once you click the Explore button, you're going to see round trip at the top. You're going to see how many people you're flying with. Never switch the amount of people. Keep it to 1, because then they start doing all of this funny stuff with the numbers. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose your location. And the good thing about Google Travel is you can choose up to 3 different airport locations that you would like to fly out of. So I'm in New York, so I'm going to choose JFK, LaGuardia, and I live in Long Island, so I'm going to choose Islip. And we're going to start from the top. So at the top it says how many stops. Nobody's trying to be on a plane for forever. If you would like to do that, be my guest. The good thing with that is, for the people who do have that time, I have a baby. I can't be on a plane for more than a few hours. It's too much. But for the people who are okay with doing the 1 stop, 2 stops, it does get cheaper. So that's a good thing with that. But I'm gonna put non-stop. Now we're up to price. So then you're gonna take the dial and you're gonna go to whatever your price range is. For this purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how cheap we can get. So I'm going to go to about 100 or 150. And it says carry-on bags. You can put carry-on bags so that way the price won't change when you get to the airport. Delta allows carry-on bags, sometimes American Airlines, sometimes United Airlines, but JetBlue, they now charge for carry-on bags, and also, you know, the typical Frontier, Spirit. If you want a delayed flight, hook yourself up with Spirit, but if not, go to all the rest of them that I mentioned. Then you adjust the duration. So when you're adjusting the duration, depending on how long you want to be on a flight for or where you're going, if you know the average time it takes to get there, you don't want to go over that. But I'm not trying to be on a plane for more than 10 hours. So for those who are more flexible with where they would like to go, you just search all over, see wherever is cheapest, and you can choose from there. But the good thing with Google Travel is you have up to 6 months of flight prices that you can choose from. And you're just going to choose wherever you feel like you would like to go. I'm going to choose the cheapest. So I'm going with Nassau. Then they'll show you the different prices of each airline. Delta has the cheapest because it has the carry-on bag included. And I like to look at the price graph where you can see different prices. Being that we chose one way, you want to make sure you're looking for a price that is the same or a little cheaper to come back, depending on your flexibility. Usually around the same dates will have the same prices. And then you're just going to scroll through. It shows you up to 6 months worth of dates. So once you choose that, you're going to just check how cheap this flight was compared to what it normally is. and it's very low for that price. If you think the price is going to get cheaper, you can sign in and get updates. So then you're all set. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next.